How to make money online from home? Follow these 14 steps to launching an online business from home. Step 1. Find a business idea. Step 2. Find what to sell online. Step 3. Be legally compliant. Step 4. Conduct online market research. Step 5. Find a profitable niche. Step 6. Define your target audience. Step 7. Source products to sell online. Step 8. Questions for a wholesaler. Step 9. Evaluate product viability. Step 10. Factors to consider before you start selling. Step 11. Define your brand identity. Step 12. Define the marketing strategies to fuel business growth. Step 13. Launch your online store. Step 14. Business trends to watch in upcoming years.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.